Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Stash for retirement savings, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, download the Stash app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create a new account. You will need to provide your email address and create a secure password. After that, fill in your personal information, including your name and date of birth. The app will ask for some financial details to customize your experience. Link your bank account to easily transfer funds for your investments. Once your account is set up, navigate to the retirement section of the app. Stash offers different retirement accounts, such as traditional or Roth IRAs. Choose the type of retirement account that best suits your financial goals. After selecting, you will need to provide more information specific to that account type. Next, decide how much money you want to contribute initially. Set up recurring contributions to automate your retirement savings. You can select the frequency of these contributions, such as weekly or monthly. Explore investment options available for your retirement account. Stash allows you to invest in various stocks and ETFs based on your risk tolerance. Review your choices and make selections that align with your retirement goals. Once you've selected your investments, confirm your choices. You can track your account's performance through the app dashboard. Regularly review your investments to ensure you stay on track. Adjust contributions and investments as needed based on changing financial circumstances. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for tailored advice. Stash provides educational resources to help you understand retirement savings better. Utilize these resources to stay informed and make wise investment decisions. Remember, consistent contributions over time can significantly impact your retirement savings. Stay committed to your retirement plan for long-term financial security. Continue monitoring your progress and adjust your approach as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.